Hello guys, welcome to today's YouTube video where we are gonna sing Payphone. So today we have a new guest. By we, I mean a new guest. I said a new guest.
He's talking about me.
Pants. Come in, look at me for a second. Ayush Nayak. Ayush. Anyway, we are gonna sing Payphone
By Maroon, I think. Yeah.
Whatever.
3, 2, 1.
I'm a payphone trying to call home all of my chance I spent on you. Where have been gone, baby, so long? Where are the plans we made for two?
I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture all of our bridges.
I think make it, but it's too late to try. And time is on
All
time,
of our bridges burned down.
I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when I call it love, but
in the sunset in
paradise. I'm at the payphone trying to go home. All of my chance I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
If happy ever after the exist, I would still be hiding you like this. All of these stories full of shit. One more song, I'll be safe.
You turn your back tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my full love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. Don't expect me to be here. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights. You turned out the nights. Now I'm played up, still stuck in that time when we call it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my chance I sent on you. Whoa, where have the times gone, baby? It's all along. Where are the plans we made for two?
If happens ever after
exist, I would still be hiding you like this.
all of these stories full of shit. One more in love song, I'll be sick.
Oh, now I'm a payphone. Man, for that shit, I'll be spending all this money. All this money when you're going sitting around. Long wondering why it wasn't you who came from nothing and made it to the bottom. Now you see me, I'm stunning. And all my cars with a push of buttons telling me I changed since I blew or whatever you call it. Switching the number of my phone so you can never call it. Don't need my name on the shit. Switch was the same. Could have a really good game. You missed the last shot. So you talk about two ads. You see at the top of what you could have saw. But sad to say it's over for. Phantom filled up, head open the doors, which will go away, others were looking for now. Ask me who they want so you can take the I'm with a payphone trying to go home. How much I change I spend on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
If happy ever
did exist, I would still be holding you like this.
one more content,
All the things vanish there. A basic. Oh, now I'm at a payphone. Bye bye, guys. Have a great day.